Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through a complete AppFolio tutorial for beginners. If you're new to property management or looking for a more efficient way to manage rental properties, this tutorial will help you understand how AppFolio works and why it's one of the most popular property management platforms available today. Managing rental properties involves much more than simply collecting rent. Property managers and landlords need to advertise vacancies, communicate with tenants, process applications, screen potential renters, create lease agreements, track maintenance requests, manage vendors, collect payments, handle accounting, and generate financial reports. Trying to manage all of these tasks manually can quickly become overwhelming, especially as your portfolio grows. This is where AppFolio makes a huge difference. AppFolio is a cloud-based property management software that combines all of these essential tools into one centralized platform. Instead of using separate software for accounting, leasing, maintenance, and communication, AppFolio allows you to manage everything from a single dashboard. Whether you're managing a few rental homes, apartment buildings, commercial properties, student housing, community associations, or a large real estate portfolio, AppFolio is designed to simplify your daily operations. Let's begin by looking at some of AppFolio's most important features. One of the first features you'll notice is its professional property marketing system. Whenever you have a vacant unit, attracting qualified tenants as quickly as possible is extremely important. AppFolio makes this process incredibly simple. Instead of manually creating listings on multiple rental websites, you only need to create your listing once inside AppFolio. Add high quality photos, write a detailed property description, include rental pricing, available amenities, floor plans, pet policies, and any other important information. Once your listing is complete, AppFolio automatically syndicates it across many popular rental websites such as Zillow, Apartments.com, Realtor.com, and several other listing platforms. This saves property managers hours of repetitive work while ensuring maximum visibility for every available property. Faster marketing usually means fewer vacant days, helping property owners generate rental income sooner. Another excellent feature is AppFolio's customizable property management website. Many property management companies use this feature to create a professional online presence where prospective tenants can browse available properties, submit rental applications, and contact the management team directly. Now, let's move on to one of AppFolio's strongest features, online leasing and tenant screening. Traditionally, rental applications involved paperwork, printing documents, emailing forms back and forth, and manually checking references. AppFolio modernizes this entire process. Prospective tenants can complete rental applications entirely online from their computer or smartphone. Once an application is submitted, AppFolio allows property managers to review detailed applicant information, including credit reports, criminal background checks, eviction history, income verification, and previous rental history. Having all this information available in one place helps landlords make informed decisions while reducing the chances of approving unreliable tenants. Once you've selected a qualified applicant, AppFolio allows you to generate lease agreements electronically. Tenants can review and sign lease documents digitally without printing any paperwork. Signed documents are automatically stored inside the system for future reference, making record keeping much easier. Another major advantage is the online resident portal. Each tenant receives secure login credentials to access their personal portal. Through this portal, tenants can view their lease information, make online rent payments, review payment history, submit maintenance requests, receive announcements, upload documents, and communicate directly with property managers. Providing tenants with self-service access improves their overall rental experience while reducing administrative work for your management team. Next, let's talk about online rent collection and accounting. Collecting rent manually can become stressful, especially when managing dozens or hundreds of tenants. AppFolio simplifies this by allowing tenants to pay rent online using ACH bank transfers, debit cards, or credit cards. Property managers can configure automatic recurring payments, payment reminders, grace periods, and late fee rules. Once payments are received, AppFolio automatically records every transaction in the accounting system. This eliminates manual bookkeeping and significantly reduces accounting errors. AppFolio includes a complete property accounting system that tracks rental income, owner distributions, expenses, invoices, vendor payments, security deposits, bank reconciliations, budgets, and financial reporting. Instead of exporting information into separate accounting software, everything remains organized within one centralized platform. You can generate detailed reports, including income statements, balance sheets, owner statements, rent roll reports, delinquency reports, occupancy reports, cash flow summaries, and tax related financial documents with only a few clicks. This is especially valuable during tax season or when preparing reports for property owners and investors. Now let's continue with some of AppFolio's most valuable features that make day-to-day property management much easier. One of the biggest challenges for property managers is handling maintenance requests efficiently. Without a proper system, requests can easily get lost through emails, text messages, or phone calls. AppFolio solves this by providing a built-in maintenance management system. Using the resident portal, tenants can submit maintenance requests anytime from any device. They can describe the issue, upload photos or videos, and monitor the progress of their request. Property managers receive instant notifications and can review each maintenance ticket directly from the dashboard. After reviewing the request, managers can assign work orders to internal maintenance staff or third-party vendors. Vendors receive detailed job information, allowing them to complete repairs more efficiently. Managers can monitor the status of every work order, approve estimates, track completion dates, and communicate with vendors throughout the repair process. This organized workflow helps resolve maintenance issues faster while improving tenant satisfaction and reducing property damage caused by delayed repairs. Although there may be a learning curve when first using the platform, the time saved through automation and centralized management quickly outweighs the initial setup effort. As your rental business grows, AppFolio continues to provide the flexibility and scalability needed to manage larger portfolios efficiently. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching.